I feel like Chevy Chase in bed, like seriously. Oh, that's good. I like food.
Specifically food from around the world.
These boxes came from Try the World. Got a ton of things in this.
Oh, I'm so excited. This is fun. Beef tallow kettle chips by Horse Food. Cheers.
Cheers, dears. Mmm.
Yeah, those are really good. They're very savory.
Really savory.
Big fan. And
It's
I
so
love
good.
salt.
They're out of Norway. What do you rate them? 1 out of 10.
They're a very classic chip, so I'm gonna go with, I'd go with a 7. I could eat that whole bag.
I'm gonna do an 8.
You like them?
I like the way your mouth feels afterwards. It's that tallow.
The beef tallow is really nice.
Really good. Savinska chips, Lant chips. Same company. These are rosemary.
Very strong.
Oh wow.
Yeah, very strong.
I don't know.
It's Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't like
It's
the
like-
smell is like, but they're good.
They're very like
Why am I holding them?
stuffing.
It tastes
Like
just
good
like
homemade
stuffing.
stuffing. I'm actually gonna give these ones though like a 5 because I like the flavor,
Okay.
but I'm not gonna finish a bag of these.
No, the flavor's too strong.
Honestly, I was kind of actually like one and done, so maybe I should lower it to like a 3.
I'll give it a 4.
Okay. These ones are from Barcelona.
Barcelona, made in Spain.
Yeah. Torres.
I've had a lot of stuff around the world, but I don't know if I've ever eaten snacks in Spain.
Black truffle isn't for everybody, but it's for me.
Yeah.
I'll call you that.
I love eating fungus.
I love truffle. It's so good. Honestly, I'll give these an 8 just because I love truffle.
I'll do it too. 8.
It is so not overhyped. Blend of puff.
Puff, amaranth, jaggery, and cardamom. These things are packaged. Like, look how thick.
Not in America.
No, hell no. They'd be like, we can save 0.4 cents per 2
Whoa,
packs.
that was a magic trick.
So yeah, they're full. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. So it looks like bird food all smashed together. I don't mean that disrespectfully. This could be the best thing in the world.
See, it's just a bunch of seeds.
I hope it's sweet.
It's nutty.
No, that's straight nuts.
I'm not a nut in my food type of person. Oh my gosh, you know what it tastes like? The inside of a Butterfinger with a different texture. For me, this is a 6.
If I walked into the gas station and was like, I want a snack, I'd be like,
Wait a minute, this is actually a good road trip snack.
yeah. Coconut cream bites. Puri cream. Wow. No high fructose corn syrup. No artificial colorants. No trans
Is
fat.
this American?
There's no way it's American if it's that.
Dominican Republic.
Yeah. So you got these guys.
Actually, I lied, these are really good. To me, they smell like sunscreen, but they are so good.
Take these to the beach. This is a beach snack.
Those are an 8.
To me, that's a 10.
Yeah, that is you,
Yeah,
for sure.
to me.
Oh, it's a drink, horchata.
I love horchata. We will come back with a review on this one.
Shake it gently.
Time for the horchata. That's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, sweet cinnamon rice drink. Like, I love horchata. This has like that warm feeling to it.
Yeah.
It's like Christmas. This is an 8. I've seen these online. The ginger chews. I'm pretty sure Rhett and Link had these. Yeah.
Let's just give it a try, give it a taste.
Oh,
Where's it from?
Indonesia.
Ooh,
I've
cool.
been there. Ginger chews. It's like, it
Yeah.
almost looks like caramel, like really thick hard caramel.
Oh, it's spicy.
That aftertaste is funky.
What do you rate it?
1.
Okay. I'll give it a 3. Oh, it's another drink.
We got our drinks here. These are the milk drinks from Korea. I've had these. I used to drink these overseas. And I always had them in the little plastic thing, but yeah.
It's taro.
It's just that taro. And I got vanilla. What's it taste like?
Cereal milk, actually.
Good. I used to drink these all the time. It's like vanilla pudding, but drink. Both of these are 10 out of 10s for me.
Woohoo!
Ooh. Superfoods. Here, I'll show you. We're being greedy.
Product of Turkey, but
Turkey.
distributed in California.
Ah, okay. So it's got date, pistachios, and hazelnut.
Oh, I've never tried dates,
Me
but I've
either.
always wanted to.
We get to experience this
I know, I'm excited.
together for the first.
I want to try dates. They look healthy.
They look healthy. There's nothing wrong with that.
There's no like center.
But it's not gooey.
It's like a brownie ball consistency. It's not my jam. I'm gonna go with the 2.
I could snack on that. I give it a 7.
Mango? Ooh, it's mango. It's chili pineapple wedges, so it's not mango.
No, that sounds good though. It's out of
Thailand.
Patio Beach. Shout out.
1.
Like this would be something you could eat a couple and fulfill that need.
I'm not a chamoy. If
I like
you like the chamoy and tahini, like covered fruit, you'll love this. It's not my jam.
The aftertaste is really good. It's got a nice, not like burn, but a nice mouthfeel. It's a sucker. Chili pepper powder covered strawberry lollipop. Like, oh, I said that without stuttering.
You did.
I feel like Chevy Chase in bed, like seriously.
Oh, sap. Where'd it go?
Oh, that's good. Mm. Yeah.
You like it? Big fan? No.
That's so good. We have the opposite flavor spectrum.
For me, it's gonna be a 1.
I like it. I'm gonna give it like an 8.
Overall, this was pretty good. My favorite is the black truffle, for sure. My least favorite is these pineapples.
The gooey's thing?
But that's only because I'm not a big chamoy and tiki person. But if you like that stuff, you'll love it.
These are so good.
Those are good too.
I'm gonna go eat the whole bag. Ginger chews for sure. Those things are disgusting.
These boxes are so much fun though.
Yeah. If you're interested in trying different snacks around the world, try Snacks Around the World. It's pretty cool.
Link is in the bio.